Hi, this is Jeremy Cahill, and this is my Lab 3 submission for software engineering. In part 2 of my project, I focused on implementing the calculator processor class as a singleton, which would handle all string parsing and calculations for my application. The goal was to create a robust processing unit that could evaluate complex mathematical expressions while adhering to the correct order of operations. And I created a new branch in my Git repository specifically for this work, naming it something recognizable to help me later. And let's just go through everything to make sure that it works properly now that I've switched everything and moved a lot of things over into different files, such as the button factory and the calculator processor. So now I had one file, now I have five. So with two headers and three CPPs. And let's just go through everything and check if it works properly. So first we'll do addition, 1 plus 1, and that equals 2. So that works. I use D for delete. The delete function works. Now let's do 2 minus 2. That works. Now, negative 2, negative 2 minus 3 equals negative 5. So the parentheses work right. If we do parentheses with multiplication, that works right. If we do 3 times 3, that equals 9, that works right. And if we do something like this, 3 plus 1 divided by negative 6 times 4, it gives you a negative answer and does the order of operations correctly. And modulo works. 27 modulo 2 is 1. Sine of 30 is 5. Cosine of 30 is 0.866025. And the tangent of 30 is 0.577350, which is correct. Now, if you do something like this, though, it's going to give you an error message instead of a number, because anytime it was doing parentheses, like it will work like this, you'll get 6, but if you tried to do the parentheses first, it wasn't coming out with a good answer. So that is not even like accepted by most calculators. So if it's an error, I added this extra error handling here because that way you just never get a wrong answer. If it's going to be a wrong answer, it's just not going to give you something. It's going to say not a number. So it seems like everything's been working properly here, and this is my final demo before I submit. Thank you.